Hey there, traders. It's Thursday, March 3rd, 2022, and I'm inviting you aboard the short put bus. Just keeps on chugging along here. We're looking at doing another short put today. Of course, we'll try our hand at the OCO order if you're interested in those. We're looking at Citigroup, which is a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4, an IV rank of 75, almost 76 right now. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So I thank you for joining us today. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. You can see we're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading to get all the learning without any of the risk. I'll pull up the chart real fast. Here's C, or Citigroup, and we can see just like the flavor's been. However, check out that big M. That is something else, huh? However, being down here at the low is interesting. This one, you know how I've been complaining about if you've been watching, if you're not new to this channel and you subscribed and you watch, I've been complaining about the weeklies. This one makes a little sense. We do have earnings coming up, and if you take the weeklies before the monthlies, you'll avoid the earnings event. Unless you're interested in the earnings event, at which point you want to go with the monthlies probably. All right? Okay, so we can see we're down here at a low. We did have a huge candle rally yesterday, as said in the Cherry Bomb email that we received with today's trade idea. You want that trade idea sent to you 4 days a week? Go get the email and sign up. The link is in the description below. You sign up with Tasty Trade, not with me. And that's that. Okay, cool. Let's go to the Analyze tab. You can see I have the trade plugged in already. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. We're looking at the April 8th weeklies with 36 days to expiration as of today. We're looking at the 50 put, which is a 13 delta right now. It does have some open interest, and I pennied up to a midpoint of 64 cents. In the risk profile here, we see that gives us, I got the date in the top right, set to the same date in blue that we see in the left over here. That's an 87, almost 88% probability of profit at expiration. And according to Tastyworks, which I'm going to switch just a little bit here. I'm going to actually, so I want you to be able to see this, because yesterday, I know it's small, sorry, but that's the reason why I usually use this view here. I feel like that helps a little bit, but let's go back to this one. And we wanted to do the bracket order. Yesterday we did the OCO order. We did it in Thinkorswim. I want to show it real fast in Tastyworks in case you play there sometimes. Here's the bracket order. I got the 50 put. Yes, I do. It's got a probability of profit of 89%, a P50 of also 89%. I'm going to hit bracket. And then over here, it gives me a close at 50%. That's good. I like that it default does that for me. But the mechanic that Tasty Trade espouses for your cutting your losses is 2 times the credit received, which is really 3 times this, which is 192. There we are, 200%. 200% loss on this one would be 3 times the credit received. Then I would go ahead and hit review and send, and that would put that OCO order in. Getting in at 64, get me out at 32 and take 50% of max profit. If it goes the wrong way and hits this, give me a market order once it hits this stop, and hopefully it'll get me out at that 192 mark. All right, so that's that. I'm going to clear that and do the same thing over here in Thinkorswim. Hopefully that goes back to the same size. Yes, cool. All right, so I'm going to go over here so you can see full screen. There we go. That's better. Probably better to be able to see it. Let's go to the trade tab, and we're going to be in C. We're going to be in 30. There's the 50 right here. Penny this up to 64 at the mid price. Drag that over. Cool. Of course, I messed that up. I'm supposed to go over here and right click this, choose Sell Custom OCO bracket. I'm going to penny that up to 64. I'm going to make this 32. 32 would be the halfway point, and we said 194. 194 would get me out on that one. Okay, there it is. Going to go ahead and hit confirm and send. And you can't see it, so let me show you here again. This is the confirm and send screen. And what we're looking at here is let's call it a $5,000 maximum loss should Citigroup go out of business in the next 36 days. Max profit of 64. So this is not a high return on capital, even if we get max profit. But remember, we're looking for high probabilities on this one. And let's see how it goes. Shall we? Going to go ahead and put this one in. Go and hit send. and let's see what happens. We've done 3 short puts so far this week. Let's take a look at how they're looking. I had to adjust Disney yesterday. So we have coin that's apparently even, Citigroup, which is not even trade that's on yet, and Disney has worked out. I did have to adjust it because it was not filling, and I was able to get it to fill there. All right, cool. All right, there it is. There's all the dirty laundry. You probably couldn't see it because it's small. There it is again, showing you here. We're at a $27 profit in Disney on that short put from yesterday. All right. If you made it this far into the video, big thumbs up to you. I do appreciate all your views, all your likes, and if you enjoy having someone to trade with and doing cherry bombs where you don't even have to worry about the trade, it gets sent to you, and we see if we can make it profitable, maybe you'll subscribe if you haven't already. All right, until I see you in tomorrow's video, everybody, may the market be with you.